Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can blur a text in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. And now what we are going to do is we are going to elements, and here I'm just searching for travel, right? And we are just going to add a photo, and then we are going to add a text over it. Okay, so for example, I have selected this photo and now I will move this photo in the background. So I've clicked on triple dot and then set image as background. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to click on text and then heading, and let's write travel. Right now we are going to increase the text size, and for example I just want to blur this text, right? So for that I will tell you multiple ways, right? So first of all, click the effects. Now in effects you won't find the blur effect, right? So as you can see, there is no blur effect given over here, right? So what you can do is, for example, you can click on elements, and here you can simply search for a shape. All, you can bring a shape. Okay, it's behind the text, so I will click on again triple dot and then layer and bring this rectangular shape forward. Okay, now what we can do is we can simply change the transparency, right? And then we can simply add effects over it. So I have clicked on effects, right? So again there is no option, so I will click on edit, right? So in edit also, as you can see, there is no option, right? So what we can do is we are going to delete this, and in elements we are going to search for blur. Okay, there are few graphics, you can use this one, right, to blur, but again it is not possible, right? So how you can blur this text, right? Because there are no options given in Canva to blur the text, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page, and here I'm just going to change the color first, right? For example, I'm going to choose this color of the background, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add a heading, right? And we can simply write travel in it, or we can duplicate the travel from the old image, right? Old page. Okay, so it is written over here, right? Now what we can do is we can simply click on share, then download, and we are going to download this page as a PNG, and here we are going to select the transparent background, right? And only this page I want, so I have selected current page, done, download. Okay, it has been downloaded. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to save this, right? So I have clicked on save, and it has been downloaded successfully into my downloads, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going back to the first page. Okay, and here in the uploads we are going to click on upload files, and we will select that particular image which we have downloaded earlier from the downloads from our system, and now we are going to select this. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to click on edit. As it is an image, so it can be edited, right? But whereas text can't be edited, right? So we are going to click on see all, and here you will find the blur effect, right? You can add a blur size, right? Or you can blur the whole image, right? So here I'm going to blur the whole image, right? Like this. You can set the intensity, and now our text has been blurred, right? So in this manner you can simply blur a text in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.